Hi everybody, my name is Leslie and I'm coming to you from McAllen Public Library Teen Department, and today I'm going to show you how to make catapult launchers using just the stuff that you have around the house. So for today's STEAM Sunday project, you guys have two options to make your catapult, which is either the cup and balloon option, which you can take any plastic, paper, or styrofoam cup that you have at home and have a balloon and tape. And for the regular catapult, you can have any assortment of materials like popsicle sticks, rulers, pencils, and plastic utensils, even bottle caps for your catapult. And other than that, you'll need rubber bands or hair ties. And if you want to go for the bottle cap route, you can use a hot glue gun, but I prefer the plastic spoon myself.
Hey everybody, this is Amy here, and I'm going to be showing you step number 1 to our catapult project. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to use it to cut a hole right here. Trying not to go super far, but far enough so that way we can get this balloon over it like our sample. So I'm going to start by, let me see if I can clip the ends here. Yes, I can. And actually this works really well with a styrofoam cup because it won't take as long and it's not as hard to cut. So now what I want to do is kind of clean it up a little bit. And there we have it. Our second step, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut 2/3 of the balloon. So I would say cut around here. And you're going to cut straight across. Step 3, we're going to fold our balloon and tie it in a knot at the end of it. Stretch it out a little bit. Okay. And we're going to take this end and place it on our cup around it. So we're going to stretch it. And once it's placed, we're going to tape it down. And this can include any type of tape that you may have at home. It can be duct tape or it can be regular Scotch tape, whichever you think is best. And I put one last piece of tape here just to secure it. And there you have it, your mini cup catapult. So now I will show you an alternative to make a catapult out of popsicle sticks. So here I have 5, 6, 7 popsicle sticks. We're going to leave our 2 aside, and then we're going to take the rest of our popsicle sticks, which should be 5, and we're going to get our first rubber band, tie it on this end. And then get another rubber band, tie it on this end. And get our 2 leftover sticks, put them on each side like this. And we're going to tie those down with a rubber band. So I'm going to take this first one here. And if you want to make it easier, you can just leave this aside now and we'll put it together once we band these 2 guys together. Okay, And then we're going to open it up. Like this. Put this one in the middle. And then we're going to take another rubber band. And cross this. Just to make a crisscross. Cut across this way. And I think we can do the same to the other side. Okay. Now we're going to take our utensil, put it right here through the middle. So now you have your very own catapult.
Thank you guys so much for watching our STEAM Sunday video. Share your projects with us by tagging your pictures and videos at Connect with MPL and MPL Teens. Tune in next week for another STEAM Sunday video. Bye!